Missed that completely. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Plays and misses. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. That is a very quick signal taken. That's a no ball and the batsman gets a free hit. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. That's 4. Didn't time that well, but definitely will be pleased with the result. Outstanding shot. It's a bigger boundary there. Pacer introduced from the other end. Slips in place. They have run the first one quick. Brilliant pickup and throw, and that looks out. Has to walk back to the pavilion. That was such a waste of a wicket. Edged and taken. He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion. from his favorite end. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, that must have really hurt. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls. That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for six. What good batting that is. Excellent shot making. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. They are calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. Oh, shot, but only a single. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. It's nicely timed. We'll only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. Here is a fielder at the extra cover. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Change in the bowling, pacer being brought back. Deep point in place. That has made some serious damage. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. Oh, that was a seriously quick ball. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt. Singles and doubles would not be enough at this stage. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six. He is an improved player now. You make a mistake and you pay the price. Can he do it again? Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery. Oh, that must have really hurt. Informed fast bowler into the attack now. Expect some serious chin music. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. That's into the gap. Should look for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. There's a fielder at extra cover. That is a very good lead by the batsman. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. In the air, this is six. It's a magnificent strike. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. It will be interesting to see where the bowler will test the batsman with the short one. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a six. He has picked up the length on that so early. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. The first innings comes to a close. The target is set and the openers rush to the pavilion to get batted up for the Jays.